Hey guys, so this tutorial is going to show you how to register your store account with Upurr and then connect it to your Shopify web store. So this is the Upurr website where you're going to register your store. I've also got my Shopify admin account ready. And I've also got the web store that I'm going to use in this example, which is hirelondon.com. Okay, so to start with, we're going to pop in a contact phone number and then move on to an account email address. It's obviously important that you have access to this email address because we're going to need to confirm this registration using this email address. Next to password, it needs to have a capital letter, special character, and also a number, and just confirm that password. Alright, then we're going to move on and put in a store name, a store website URL. I tend to just copy and paste this because it needs to have the HTTPS in. And then we're going to put in a targeted gender. So Hire only targets males, it's just menswear. Then we're going to upload a store logo. Needs to be a maximum of 4 megabytes. And also a store main image or banner image for the profile page. And move on. Now from here we need to enter a short description. I'm just going to copy and paste this from the website. You can always change this later and update it in your account. So I'm just going to go back and I'm just going to paste that in. And it looks like I need to trim that down a little bit. So from now I'm going to move on to the long description. Now this is the text that's going to appear in your store profile page. So this can be a little bit more detailed. I'm just going to copy and paste this text. And I'm going to break it up a little bit, put in some line breaks. And I think that looks fine. So I'll move on. So we're going to move on to the final step, which is the style tags. So it's important that you choose the right tags that best describe your store and the style of your clothing. These are going to be used to direct the right shoppers to our store. And then we're going to complete registration. Okay, great. So our account has been successfully created and a confirmation email has been sent. So we now need to go and confirm that. Right, so now that's been confirmed, we can log into our account. So now we can see our store profile, we can see the images we uploaded, and we can see that our store is pending. This just tells us that our store is awaiting approval from Upurr. But we need to get on and we want to connect our Shopify web store to Upurr so we can pull in our products. So in my Shopify account admin, I'm going to search for the Upurr store app. So the first thing I need to do is go to the Shopify app store and just type in Upurr store. So Upurr store here, you want to install that. So I'll click add app. Sometimes this can take a few minutes, so we just need to wait for Shopify to redirect us. Okay, there you go. So now we just need to add the sales channel. Okay, and then we need to approve the subscription. Now this is just the commission charge that Upurr charges for products purchased through Upurr. And then we need to connect our account. Now from here you just need to log in using the credentials that you logged into your Upurr store account with. And just authorize that. There we go. And then the last thing we need to do is just make all our products available to Upurr store. Now this is really important to do. So we just need to click manage availability. And this takes us to the Shopify bulk editor where we can make our products available to Upurr store. Like I said, it's really important that we do this with every product. Okay, so we need to make sure we save that, and then we need to go back to our Upurr store app and just make sure them products have been saved and been made available to Upurr store. So if I scroll down, I can see that all products have been made available. Okay, so that's my Shopify web store connected, which is great. Now I need to just go back to my Upurr store profile, and here I want to start adding products to this profile. So if I go to the products page, we can see it's pulling in all the products from my Shopify web store, and I can pick and choose which ones I want to add to my profile. So in here you can see we have popular products and we have our latest products. If I go back to the products page, then I can just start picking the ones I want for popular and picking the ones I want to be in the latest section. Okay, so I'm happy with that. If I go back to my profile, I can see that the products are now in there. And my profile is starting to take shape now. There's also a lookbook where I can add images and you can add social networks. But at least my products are being shown in my profile now. So let's go and preview that. And there it is. This is what the shopper will see. So there you have it. This is how to connect your Upurr store profile to your Shopify web store. And from here, Upurr will start directing the right kind of shoppers to your store and will drive traffic and ultimately increase sales. Thanks for watching.